Hi everyone, experience ma'am bohan bamaktada GKGS Manipuri Modern History class series asida welcome tawjari. Ngasisu GKGS Manipuri experience singidamakta yamna important oiba topic habadi socio-religious reforms movement haiba topic asida experience singidamakta video class ma pudun laksari haiba topic asi akhoi SSC ki upcoming exams like SSC GD and atopa defense ki exams like CISF, NDA Army, Agnivir, and Railways ki upcoming exams like NTPC. Sugumba exams sida adum important oiragaduba adumba topic amani haina thamjage socio-religious reforms movement. Aduna ngasigi class ase yamna maru oigani amasung interesting oigani haina thamjage masi harakanda ngasigi class hojilasi. So question number ahanbada, who is known as the father of Indian Renaissance? Kanabu father of Indian Renaissance harakan kangnabano haina hairiko. Option mari pire option mayam singchida mayam nasu haina kangamani. And the correct option is option number D, that is Raja Ram Mohan Roy is known as the father of Indian Renaissance ka. Mayam na khange do di Raja Ram Mohan Roy kanano habda hoi Indian gi mark se social reformer samani Indian gi religious social amasung educational reformer amani ka. Indian religious social and educational reformer amani mana khangjin birani aduga mahak se 1772 da reformer 1772 da Bengal gi Radhanagar haiba mafam da poki Bengal gi Radhanagar haiba mafam da poki aduga mahak se 1833 da England gi Bristol haiba mafam da England gi Bristol haiba mafam da laikide sigi points sing mayam ningsing birani and atopa points atopa questions mayam amsu soidana lakini important oiba. So question number 2 dong yeng minarse, which Mughal emperor gave the title of Raja to Raja Ram Mohan Roy? Ram Mohan Roy da Mughal emperor karamba Mughal emperor na Raja haiba title se pirambano na hangi ka. So option mayam am pire and here the correct option is adum correct option to move on to minarse mayam su khanbiro. Option number B is the correct option. Akbar Shah 2 is the correct option. So next question dong yung minarsi question number 3 da, who among the following was the founder of Brahmo Samas? Brahmo Samas ki founder kanano na hai ka. Brahmo Samas ki founders kanano hai option mayam am pire ka. Option mayam sida and the correct option is Raja Ram Mohan Roy is the founder of Brahmo Samas ka. And he founded tawu matamda khoi marks Brahmo Sabha haina khangnei ka. Haiba Brahmo Sabha se 1828 ta founded tawbani aduga kona thangda masi akhoi Brahmo Samas haina maming thon kibani. Mayam so ni khangani atopa Raja Ram Mohan Roy na founded taramba atopa institution mayam lairi maming oina pallabada Atmiya Sabha adadi akamba chahida 1814 da adadi Calcutta Unitarian Committee kamba chahida 1823 da aduga Vedanta College 1825 da Vedanta College 1825 da sigi points sing so I mayam so understand or with this next question damu yeng minarsi, which of the following newspaper was brought out by Raja Ram Mohan Roy? Raja Ram Mohan Roy na pukhalamba adumba newspaper to karamba no na hangi ko akhoi option mayam pire option number 1 the Miral Ud Akbar, and option number B the Bangdut, and option number C the Sambat Kaumudi, and option number D the all of the above and loinama kain hari ko. And here the correct option is option number D, all of the above ka. Miral Ul Akbar na akhoi Persian language ta adumba Persian language form badumba newspaper amani aduga Bangdut na Hindi da aduga Sambat Kaumudi na Bengali da. Sigi point sing so I understand tawren lawjarge. With this question number 5 tong yung minarsi, Sati Abolition Act was passed during the reign of his Governor General. Karamba Governor General gi matamda Sati Abolition Act se passed okibana na hangi ka. So question da hoi laire option mayam pire ka option, and here the correct option is option number D, Lord William Bentinck ki matamda passed okibani ka. Haibse sigi Sati Abolition Act se akhona formally kari hara khangna bano habu matamda formally Bengal Sati Regulation Act hara khangne the Bengal Sati Regulation Act hara kanda khangne ko karamba sahida in 1829 the passed okimne anana Lord William Bentinck. So sigi points in the understand or end of the question number 6 tong minarsi, who founded Tadbhabodhini Sabha se kanana founded tobuna hangi. And here option me pire Rabindranath Tagore, Raja Rammohan Roy, Devendranath Tagore, Swami Dayanand Saraswati. And here the correct option is Devendranath Tagore. Devendranath Tagore, marks Indian philosopher mani. He was the father of Rabindranath Tagore gi mapani ka. Rabindranath Tagore gi mapani aduga mahak se Brahmo Samasta 1842 da Brahmo Samas join tore. Join Brahmo Samas aduga Brahmo Samas join tore aduga sigi matungda mahakna amuk Brahmo Samas gi tokla matungda Adi Brahmo Samas haina society ma founded tore ko Adi Brahmo Samas haina karamba sahida 1866 sigi point si jo I understand tore in laujar guess. So question number 7 down in minarsi, who was the founder of Brahmo Samas of India? Brahmo Samas of India की founder कनानो हंगे को ऑप्शन में हमें पीरे हुए देवेंद्रनाथ टैगोर ना क्रम आदि ब्रह्मो समाज फाउंडेड तो है आदि ब्रह्मो समाज को अदुगा राजा राममोहन रॉय ना करी ब्रह्मो समाज in the year Brahmo Samas in the year 1828 ko sin 1866 ta ko so aduga MG Ranade and Keshav Chandra Sen hain hari ko option mari pide. And here the correct option is Adi Brahmo Samas ki Brahmo Samas of India ki founder se kanano hai matan option number D, that is Keshav Chandra Sen ko masu Keshav Chandra Sen nasu masigi Brahmo Samas se 1858 ta join tore 1858 ta masu join Brahmo Samas aduga Brahmo Samas ta join tore aduga 1866 ta sigi Brahmo Samas of India se Brahmo Samas of India se founded tobone. Sigi point je understand tawani. Question number 8 taming minar se, who is the founder of Prarthana Samas? Prarthana Samas banan se betam Prarthana aramo wale ko mayam se typing mistakes ngi dong to mayam ngapi gani. So with this question je minar se, who is the founder of Prarthana Samas? Prarthana Samas ki founder kanano na hangi ko option mari pire. And here the correct option is, that is option number B, Admarang Pandurang ko. Admarang Pandurang was the founder of Prarthana Samas, and he founded Prarthana Samas in the year kaya karamba sahida 1867 da kadai da Bombay da founded okini kanagi mating laro kanda with the help of Keshav Chandra Sen ka Keshav Chandra Sen. So with this next question, the question number 9 daw yung minarsi, who was the leader of the Young Bengal movement? Sidi mayam na sige question siya na popular oiba question ni aduga exam da siya na toy na hangba question naman ka Young Bengal movement mayam so hana exam da hangba tengna naman ka. The option mayam pire ka, and here the correct option is Henry Bebian de Rosio is the correct option. Option number C is the correct option. Mark se Anglo-Indian namni ka Anglo-Indian ni aduna mo ming siya ko atopa Western kanurong British ki ming bu malib ni ka Henry Bebian de Rosio ab se mark se kam from the Kolkata da 18 April 1809 da poki 1809 da aduga mark se Hindu college ki teacher am so erami ka Hindu college kala leba Kolkata da leba ka. So with this question number 10 da yung minar se question number 10 da the Widow Remarriage Act was passed in 1856 due to the effort of which social reformer karamba social reformer gi tho effort na no na Widow Remarriage Act se karamba social reformer gi effort na pass to ki no na hangi ka. So option mayam pire, and here the correct option is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar ka Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar is the correct option. Option sing nai na aduga Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar gi yamna maming chetpa journal am lai madugi maming kari ko na ham bahu vibha koi ka bahu vibha sigi through da mahangna kedoba akhoi ge mark se kari gi damakta ibano hai tare ka bahu vibha se it was written in protest of polygamy gi mayokta iba adumba journal amane hai tare. So next question dam yung minar se, who established Satya Sodak Samas? Satya Sodak Samas se kanana established tobuno hai hai ko. Option number A, Animation. Option number B, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. And option number D, Jyotiba Phule. And option number D, Dayanand Saraswati. Option mari pire, and here the correct option is option number C, Jyotiba Phule ni iba established toba adumba samas amani Satya Sodak Samas ko society amani hai tare ko kamba sahida established tobuno hai matam masigi Satya Sodak Samas se 1873 da aduga atopa society organization maming amani su maru oiba maming haitare Jyotirba Phule na establish toramba ko kari maming haibna haiba matamda sarvajanik satya dharma haiba ma satya dharma aduga gulamgiri haiba nga masigi gulamgiri se kitang hena maming chale ko kari gino haiba matamda masigi gulamgiri se Canada dedicated tawbane ba mana it was dedicated to all those Americans singduda karamba Americans ta who had fought to free slaves ko. So with these points, masigi points in se ma'am so in khanga mani so question number 12 tong yang minor se Sarvajanik Satyadharma and Gulamgiri is related to which of the following movement karam movement related oibano na hangi hojik to so khoi hai kre mark se khoi kana mari laine bu Jyotirba Phule na puthomba domba kano ne movement amane hai kre ko koina Jyotirba Phule na. So hidagi akoina khange and it was related with option number D that is Satyasodak Samas ka related oi ko. So adu number marakanda question number 13 dang yang minarse in Indian history which other personality has been addressed with the title Mahatma apart from the Mahatma Gandhi na tab atopa atopa person Canada Mahatma gi mingthol se pirambano na hangi ko option ma'am B R Ambedkar Gopal Krishna Gokhale Dadabhai Nauroji and Jyotirba Phule and okay option mari pira and here the correct option is option number D that is Jyotirba Phule is the correct option. So question number 13 so laminare se with this question number 14 dong yang minare se Servants of India Society was established by kana established obonon hangi Servants of India Society se sidi ma'am ne khanga mani important oiba point ka and here the correct option is Gopal Krishna Gokhale na founded torambani aduga Lokmanya Tilak haina hida akhoi option sidam yawi mahang na founded toramba akhoi gi newspaper ang maming ket newspaper ang khalai dui maming kari koi Kesari koi ka sigi point sisu mayam niksing biro Gopal Krishna Gokhale na hariba Servants of India Society is in the year 1905 ta established torambani 1905 with the help of the MG Ranade ko with the help of MG Ranade. Aduga karigidamakta masigi Servants of India Society is established torino hamatam it was to train national mercenaries for the service of India. Ko India gi damakta ko India gi revolution la pumatamda revolutionary strength tongna ba haitare to train national missionaries for the service of India. So question number 15 dong yang minarsi what was the real name of Swami Vivekananda? Swami Vivekananda gi asengba maming real name karino na hangi ko question sina option number A da Devendranath Dutt, option number B da Maviran Kone, option number C da Ramtanu Pandey and option number D da Narendranath Dutt hana akogi option mari pire ko and here the correct option is option number D Narendranath Dutt is the correct option me amna susto option duga ina susto isiga anarangin khali so Swami Vivekananda koine hena khangaba personality yamni ka and he was Indian philosopher ka Hindu monk adaidi Hindu gi lining banu pamni philosopher amani maming laiba author amasani aduga maming laiba religious teachers amasani ka religious teacher amasani aduga mahaki oza gi maming mahak se kai kaweba oza tu gi maming Ramakrishna Parahamsa kaweba ko Ramakrishna khak ai izarage ko Ramakrishna Parahamsa haina kaweba mahaki oza gi maming aduga mahak se mahaki oza Ramakrishna Parahamsa gi chief disciple amni aduga mahak se 12 January mahaki date of birth khang mathau dai ko 12 January 1963 da poki higi points im sun ningsing biro question number 16 dong yang minarse Ramakrishna mission was established by kanan established obunon hai ko Ramakrishna mission so we all know that sidi mahjuk to supanjakre Swami Vivekananda na established obuni aduga Ramakrishna Paramahamsa was the teacher of Swami Vivekananda, and Swami Vivekananda is chief disciple of Ramakrishna. Paramahamsa ki chief disciple amni ka. So hidagi su khange ka. Aduga karamba sahida Ramakrishna mission se established tobano haiba matamda 1897 da established tobani kanana Swami Vivekananda na ka. Kaidona bagi damakta mahaki oza Ramakrishna Paramahamsa ki teaching se hen propagate tawna bagi damakta. Teaching se propagate tawna bagi damakta ka. So question number 17 daw yung minarse, where is the headquarter of the Ramakrishna mission located? Ramakrishna mission ki headquarter kadai da located to oibano na hai ko kadai da laibano na hai. So and here the correct option is Belur West Bengal gi West Bengal da laiba dumba jaga region namani ko West Bengal da Belur ko. So Kolkata, West Bengal, near Kolkata hai tare. So question number 18 daw yung minarse, when did Swami Vivekananda address the famous Parliament of Religions at Chicago? The famous Parliaments of Religions at Chicago is Swami Vivekananda na karamba matamda karamba sahida established address to kibunon hangi ka 1890, 1883, 1895 and 1893 and option mari pide ko. And here the correct option is option number D, 1893 dani ka. And question number 19 daw yung minarse, which of the following social reforms organization was founded by Swami Dayanand Saraswati? Swami Dayanand Saraswati na founded the social reforms organization. Do you maming kari kaubuno na hangi ko? Option number A, Self-Respect Movement and Servants of India Society, Arya Samaj, Theosophical Society, and option mari pide. And here the correct option is option number C, Arya Samaj. Aduga Self-Respect Movement si kanana founded E.B. Ramaswamy Nayakarna founded movement amani ka. Duga si Arya Samaj ki matang da hafet haija taragade ahan bada mark se kadai da founded tobano ha matam da Bombay gi Girgaon har mafam sida yana established tobani ka. Bombay Girgaon har mafam sida kam pasahida 10 April 1875 ta. But har base kona thang da mahaki headquarters se konga kan da Lahore da headquarter ho ki ko. Lahore hojik Pakistan da ka. Aduga masigi Arya Samaj gi matung ina minimum marriageable age hai tare. Minimum marriageable age se nupa gina sahi kun manga 25 for men, aduga nupi gina kaya 16 for women sahi tratruk oikiba nupi gina ka. Adumain tawdana sigi samasina yamna popular oiba dumba schools ama silingkhalam yandugi maming na kai kawi DAF schools ko. Habadi kanana Swami Dayanand Saraswati na ka. Sigi points in kinishing question number 20 daw yung minarse, which organization started the Sudi movement? Sudi movement sa karamba organization na hawkibano na hai ko. So akoy mayamama point hida option mayamama pide, and Sudi movement was started by Arya Samaj na hawkimni ko. Karigino ha matamda akoy Hinduism support tawna ba aduga non-Hindu singse Hindu da convert tawna bagi damagta tumaina hawkiba domba movement amni Sudi movement ka. So question number 21 daw yung minarse, question number 21, which of the following was a famous slogan given by Dayanand Saraswati? Okay, Dayanand Saraswati na piramba famous slogan do karamba no ana hay piriba mayam stegi ka. Delhi Salao, Jai Hind, Swaraj is my birthright, India is for Indians. And here the correct option is India is for Indians is the correct option. Delhi Salao amasung Jai Hind di kanana haramba no koy Subhash Chandra Bose ko. Subhash Chandra Bose na Chandra Bose. Aduga Swaraj is my birthright habse kadaba Bal Gangadhar Tilak na hairam badum famous slogan namni ka. Sigi pointing si jo mayam nising biro ka Bal Gangadhar Tilak na sige so be slogan si maru oibani. So with this question number 22 daw yung minarse, which social reforms organization was founded by Baramji M. Malabari? Baramji M. Malabari na founded the social reforms organization. Do you remember ko? So Arya Samaj, Ramakrishna Mission, Social Service League, Seva Sadan and here the correct option is Seva Sadan ka. Seva Sadan kram basahida 1908 ta. Sige pointing jay understand tawren lawjar again. Question number 23 daw yung minarse, where was the international headquarters of the Theosophical Society? International headquarters of Theosophical Society kadai laibano haina hai Belur, Mumbai, Madras, Adyar, and here the correct option is Adyar ko. Adyar is the correct option ko. So yung minar sa Adyar sa kadai dano hai bunton Chennai, India gi Chennai ama from dane aduga akhoi Theosophical Society se ihan hana ma se form to matam da ko ihan hana kadai da New York ta form tawi karam chahi da New York ta 1875 ta kana na Madame Blavatsky amasung yan colonial Olcott mabani na pulla kanda haukiba adumba movement amani aduga masi ahanbada New York tagi kona thangda 1882 matamda doba Adyar Chennai sida makhoi headquarters se shift tawpani ko Adyar Chennai har mafam sida aduga sigi points in jam am so then understand tawrani na khanjai question number 24 ing minersi who started the self respect movement khanga sign as panjakre and here the correct option is EB Ramaswamy Nayakar started the self-respect movement. Question number 25 to young miners. Aligarh movement. Aligarh movement is related to who social reformers. Aligarh movement is a social reformer related or and here option number B the Syed Ahmad and option number B the Mirza Ghulam Ahmad and option number C the Haji Shariatullah and option number D the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. And here the correct option is option number D that is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Magna hodo omba adomba movement amani ko Aligarh movement ka. Aduga akaramba chahida 1875 ta ko 1875 ta aduga Aligarh movement na tana sigi keno Sir Syed Ahmad Khan jina magna college ama horapada koin maming kaya khangna ba Muhammadan Anglo-Oriental College ko aduga hujik na kari hara khangna iba Aligarh Muslim University hara khangna riba ko Muslim University mahang founded torambani kam kadai da at Aligarh da atra Aligarh kam basahida in 1875 ta aduga mahang na yamna popular oiba mahaki newspaper angkhak lai Sir Syed Ahmad Khan ki newspaper adugi maming ni kari kawbano haba matamda newspaper that is Tazif al-Akhlaq ko Tazif al-Akhlaq. Sigi pointing je I understand tawren lawjarge with this next question okay sigi akhagi social religious reform movements ki maru oiba questions masi ayamana previous year da song khaba and atop important questions kangtani ko lokhala kanda habdi akhoi nengner targadi yamna chawi topic se ko adugo important questions oina exam oriented oina tawbani adugo PDF amasung important updates amasung daily quizzes ki damakta agi telegram channel se scan tor join to sindro or description da link choi da hapsaramge aduga mamang da su akhoi topic wise oina important oiba topic kaya amda video kaya am thagat chakre GKGS Manipur na adugi video sing adu yeng du besil now sing ai description da link choi da hapsaramge ko description da link choi da hapsaramge adu sing du samtang changa kan yeng biro ai or YouTube ki playlist da changa kan da playlist oina sema kan da thamjarabni weekly current affairs topic wise ki ka du changa yeng biro aduga ai ge lectures tigi mayam na kitang oita isu kana ba phangya na khan bi bataragadi like share and subscribe to ko bigano higher ning singjaraga mayam ba mo na thagat ba phangdok sari thank you ma'am.